Hey folks, Jeff here with My Tennessee Home Solution. Today, I'm in Springfield, Tennessee, here in Robertson County, where we have just acquired another beauty right here behind us. This one is a manufactured home on a permanent foundation. And as you can tell, this one has definitely seen better days. It sort of looks like Jumanji, just overgrown. The area as a whole is just a little distressed. A lot of homes here that have a lot of deferred maintenance, and essentially the sellers were not in a position to clean this up and to prepare it to sell on the market. So they gave us a call and we came out and made them a cash offer. We will take care of the vegetation, we will take care of all of the repairs, and ultimately get this home ready for its next phase. And so if you too have a home like this that needs a lot of love, needs a lot of TLC, don't feel obligated to put all the work in yourself. Give us a call. We can come do the heavy lifting and make this process much easier on. So call us at My Tennessee Home Solution, and we'll see you soon.
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.